Alright you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't already know me, my name is Brittany. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my own nail extensions at home for my very first time. I'm going to be doing this with the Macart Beauty and Nail Salon Nail Art Kit that I got off of Amazon. If you would like the link to where I purchased this kit from, I will link it in the description below. I will tell you, before this, I was getting my nails done every 2 weeks, sometimes every week, depending on how often they broke. And every time I would go in just for a basic set, it would be about $45. So when I bought this kit on Amazon, it was $45. So I'm pretty much buying a kit where I could make God knows how many sets of nails for the price of $45, whereas when I would go in to get them professionally done, I would have to pay $45 every time I got a new set. So I feel like this is a sort of investment, you know? I feel like this will save me a lot of money in the long run. At least that's what I'm hoping. Again, I must put in a little disclaimer. This is my first time trying this, doing anything involving my nails by myself. So if this goes horribly wrong, that's why, yeah, I'm just gonna try my best and wish me luck. So to start out, I'm going to be removing the nail polish that I already have on. That's currently all I have on. These are my natural nails. If you can see in there, there's no line because there's no other nail. These are my real nails. So to remove my nails, I don't currently have any nail polish remover. So I'm going to be using this acetone. I'm going to go in with some of these gauze pads. I'm just going to fold one of them up like this. Okay, I'm just going to take the acetone, dump it onto the gauze. Alright, that's one hand all done and cleaned of any nail polish, any sort of remnants or dirt. And I'll do the same thing on my other hand. Right, now that my nails are all clean, the next step is going to be to trim them. To do this, I'm going to be using these nail clippers. I'm not sure where I got them. I think it was Target or something. This thumb's pretty much already trimmed down. I'm going to trim it a little bit more though. Alright, that is one hand all trimmed down. I'm going to do the other side the same way. Alrighty, now that my nails are all trimmed and clean, I'm going to go in with this Macart 120/240 nail filer, and I'm just going to pretty much file what little nail I have left. Alrighty, now that is that side all filed down and ready, I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. Alrighty, now that my nails are all filed down, I'm going to go into my Macart Beauty and Salon Nail Art nail forms. I'm going to dump a whole bunch out. And I'm going to go through them and see which ones fit my fingers best. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go with size number 3. You can see right at the tip of the plastic. We're gonna see how it goes. So first I'm going to take this Macart Soak Off Gel Polish base gel, and I'm going to give that a good shake, unscrew it. Wipe off some of that excess. And then, okay, now these are the colors that I currently have to choose from. I'm going to cure this base for 60 seconds. Alright, so I've chosen my color. Today I'm going to be going in with Macart Nail Extension Gel in the shade 015 Light Pink. And I'm going to be using this dual-ended Macart brush and picker. One end looks like this, the brush, and then the other end is a spatula, like this. And for the slip solution today, we're going to be going in with 91% isopropyl alcohol. For this nail kit, you could use any sort of alcohol as your slip solution as long as it is 70% or higher. And I'm going to be emptying some of that into this little plastic dish. Going in with the color, I'm going to unscrew that. I've already pulled the seal off of it, so I'm just going to squeeze a good amount out. Just like that. Take the spatula end of the dual-ended Macart brush, and then take the dual form. I'm going to put it right up here. You have some in there, take the brush, dip it into the alcohol slip solution, and then start molding. I also like to dip the spatula into the alcohol. That way, whenever you cut through, it goes off a lot smoother. I don't know why I keep hitting the bottom of the freaking container though. I'm gonna pretty much start in the middle and then work my way down to where the cuticle will be, which is right here at the end. Alrighty, I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So I'm gonna start in the cuticle. So what I mean by that is by putting down the cuticle first right in the center, and then slowly lowering the rest of that nail down over top. Now I'm going to take the time to sort of shape up the underneath. 60 seconds. Now that should be done curing, so I'm going to do that by squeezing the edges of the nail form. So that is how the nail looks before I shave it or anything, shape it up. Again, there's air bubbles down here, as you can see, so I am going to have to fix that somehow, or I might just, I planned on putting sparkles down here, or glitter rather, that's why I have this. So I kind of might just leave that alone and not try and fix it, and then just cover it up with sparkles, because I intended to put sparkles down there anyway. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna go ahead and shape this up though. The underside looks beautiful. Let me just say that. Like the underside, nice. I did get it a little bit too close to underneath my nail, but that's actually, I love this color too. Like that turned out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the same filer from earlier and just shape it up some. Alright, now that I have the nail shape that I want, I'm going to be going in with the Soak Off Gel Polish by McCart. This is the Top It Off Soak Off Sealer Nail Gel. And give it a quick little shake, and then unscrew it, wipe off some of that excess. Now I'm going to cure that for probably about 60 seconds to a minute. I actually just took that out after about 30 seconds because I almost forgot my glitter. So I'm going to take this and pretty much shake it all down at the bottom of that nail. Predominantly where I messed it up at the cuticle. Just like that. Another quick layer of this Top It Off coat. Alright, now cure for 60 seconds to a minute. Alrighty, and that is the finished product for that nail. It's the underside, that's the top. I do have to go back and clean, obviously, like my skin because it's sloppy. But I will do that after I finish all of the rest of my nails. So that's 1 down, 9 more to go, and I will show you the finished look in just 1 moment. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. They've all been cured. They've all been glitterified, colored, filled in. So as far as first time polygel, not even my first time just with polygel, but this is really my first time ever doing my nails. Whether that be with acrylic gel, polygel, whatever. This is my first time doing my nails, period, with anything. So they're not the prettiest, but as far as like first times go, they could have turned out a lot worse. So there you have it. Now I gotta do this hand, so that's a pretty good before and after. Alright, so hopefully those of y'all that watched this found this somewhat helpful. Or just enjoyed watching the process of me doing my own nails for the first time. Hopefully this was a learning experience for everybody. I definitely recommend these for people that are beginners like me, and as well as for just people who want to save some money, you know? Like, do them yourself at home, get used to doing that, and then you save a whole bunch of money in the end by not having to go out and get them done professionally. Like, I'm basically paying the money to give them a whole new kit every single time I get my nails done there, when I could just be buying it off Amazon and doing it myself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing if you want to see more of my videos. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.